Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make eggs on a griddle easy guide. Heat the griddle to medium, add a thin film of oil, and let it shimmer before you add eggs. Crack eggs into a small bowl, then gently slide them onto the hot surface to keep yolks intact. Season lightly with salt and pepper while cooking, and use a spatula to lift and fold when edges set. Warm up your spatula and focus on gentle movements to keep eggs looking great. For sunny side up, cook without flipping until whites are set but yolks remain soft. Flip carefully for over easy or over medium to reach the exact doneness you prefer. If whites need help setting, cover the eggs with a lid for a minute to steam them through while preserving yolk texture and appearance. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing simple kitchen tips. Quick recommendation: automobile life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice to keep your car smelling fresh while you head to brunch. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab one easily. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Seasoning early lets salt and pepper meld into the egg as it cooks, so sprinkle lightly when eggs hit the griddle. Pair your eggs with toasted bread, an English muffin, or crispy hash browns for a balanced plate. Finish with fresh herbs or a dash of grated cheese to add brightness and richness, and serve immediately while the eggs are warm and the yolks are at your preferred doneness.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.